I benefited. I'm part of a political family, political dynasty, but I do believe that with more than 112 million Filipinos right now, there are a lot there who are willing to serve, who are capable to serve, but just doesn't have the means to serve. Wala silang makinarya, wala po silang resources, and last but not the least, they don't have the benefit of a name recall, no, na advantage po sa lahat. So it's about giving chance or opportunity to others. Nobody has the right to monopolize any power, economic or power. Hindi naman dapat ito nagiging monopolyo, no? We power, both economic and should be political, should both be shared, no? Hindi po dapat ito minomonopolyo ng iilang pamilya. So